Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? Hope you are all fine. I'm also fine. Today we learn lesson number 8, editing cell content in MS Excel 2013. And today we learn topic number 1. Now the first topic is introduction of MS Excel 2013. And the definition is MS Excel Excel 2013 is a spreadsheet program that allows you to store, organize and analyze information. While you may believe Excel is only used by certain people of process to process complicated data, anyone can learn how to take advantages of the program's powerful features. Whether you are keeping a budget, organizing a training log, or creating an invoice, Excel makes it easy to work with different types of data. How can we start MS Excel? And the step to start MS Excel 2013 steps is, firstly you go to the start button, then all programs, then select Microsoft Office 2013, and in the last you should select Excel 2013. Now we will discuss MS Excel 2013 window, mean to say main window. And here is the picture. The first bar is quick access toolbar, title bar, file tab, name box, select all button, active cell, row headings, sheet tab scrolling button, status bar, formula bar, column headings, worksheet window, ribbon, vertical scroll bar, horizontal scroll bar, zoom control and view shortcuts. Now we learn some basic definitions, and the first is row. Rows are numbers from top to bottom along the left edge as 1, 2 and so on. Column. Column are labeled from left to the right using the letters of the alphabets. They label first column A, then other is B, C and so on. What is mean by cell? A cell is the smallest unit of a worksheet formed by the intersection of a row and a column. What is mean by MS active cell? A highlighted cell boundary is called the cell is active. Name box. The name box is present to the left of the formula bar. It displays the address of the selected cell. Worksheet. Each page of the workbook containing a grid of cells made up of rows and columns is called worksheet. What is meant by workbook? A collection of worksheets is called workbook. Branch. A rectangular block of contiguous cells. Contiguous connecting or touching especially along a line. Now to how to save a workbook. And the steps is, step number 1. Look at and select the save commands on the quick access toolbar. Step number 2. If you are saving the file for the first time, the save as pane will appear in the backstage view. Step number 3. You will then need to choose where to save the file and give it a file name. To save the workbook to your computer, select computer, then click browse. Alternatively, you can click OneDrive to save the file to your OneDrive folder. Step number 4. The Save As dialog box will appear. Select the location where you want to save the workbook. And the step number 5 is enter a file name for the workbook, then click Save. And the step number 6 is the workbook will be saved. You can click the Save command again to save your changes as you modify the workbook. Thank you.